You got the big rock, kiddo? You're gonna... And it's heavy, isn't it? Oh, there it goes. Oh, good run. There it goes. Woo!
Crack.
Crack? Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right. You want to do some more hiking?
This is more hiking.
Okay, let's go do some more hiking.
Papa.
Bye, Rock. We'll see you later. You get some snow, huh? Fun in the snow.
No. Go back.
Go back? Okay. What am I doing here, huh? Okay, right here. Oh, you want me to cross here? Okay, ready?
This way.
Okay. Oh, like that? You're kind of particular. Carl, can you say particular? Particular? Yeah, good job, kiddo. Good national anthem, buddy. Good singing. Are you gonna do fight song? Bum ba da, 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 ba dum ba. Go, orange. Go, big blue. Fight. Bum 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 bum. There you go. Dun, 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 dun. Should we do more hiking? Hey Carl, do we miss our Mia?
Yeah.
Yeah, we miss our Mia. We had some good hikes with Mia, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Don't chew your coat.
The poofy clouds are nice today. You ready, Carl? Hiking first, lunch second, playing third, throwing rocks fourth, back to the truck fifth. That sound good?
Don't chew your coat, I said.
Yeah, let's not chew your coat, kiddo. It's icky.
Thank you.
And you'll get all wet and cold and slimy and stuff. All right. Carl, you want to race? You want to go fast? Should we say hello, Jello?
No.
No hello,
I'm
Jello?
not anymore.
Okay. Hello.
How about we hike a little more, then we can go back to the truck and have lunch. And then we can
Let's go,
find a
bud.
cool hiking spot.
All right, let's go, bud. After you.
Let's go up to the snow and then we can go back.
Let's go get to the snow.
Let's get to the snow and then we
You wanna
can
go
back to
fast?
the truck.
Come on, let's go.
Snow first, then truck. Let's go.
You can do it.
You don't have a pain.
Oh, hey, you